Hi there, are you interested to modify and upgrade your car? If yes, then contact us. We've got a wide range of collection for body kits. Check this out. Whether it's a bumper, front lips, side skirts, diffuser, bonnet hood, bonnet grille, mirror covers, side window louvers, side scoops, windshield louvers, spoilers, we got so much in the house. This is a beautiful body kit fixed on a Mustang. It's a limousine body kit. This is a Lamborghini style side window scoop. This is a Lamborghini style windshield louvre. Collection for the diffusers as well. So we got 350, 500, Shelby, V6. So we got all the collection. We also got carbon fiber side mirrors as well. We got side skirts, double layer. We got for the SRT. We got a lot of collection, a wide range of collection for the spoilers as well. This is a carbon fiber sports universal spoiler. We've got several collection for the rear windshield louvre. Check this out. That's one design. That's another design. That's the Lamborghini style design. So do get in touch with us, Car 1G Auto Accessories. My name is Faisal. Do get in touch with the contact details mentioned below. We are located in Mankur. See you. Let's modify a car.